It helps educate people, you know. On your side this way, please. Good. On your back, please. Excellent. Good. Stay good there. Stay good. Good. Okay. This way now, please. Okay.
I've been suffering with back pain for almost 10 years now. Then when I tried Chiro with Dr. Kim, I can sleep better during the night, and I haven't felt the same pain as before.
I'm Doc Kim. I'm a chiropractor with over 20 years experience, including work with the United States Navy, and I founded Well Balanced Chiropractic Wellness Center based in Taguig. Do you suffer from chronic pain, muscle aches, headaches, and other health problems that prevent you from doing the things you need and love to do? Well, these can be caused by a misalignment of your spine. When your spine is misaligned, it can cause pain in many areas of your body, reduce your range of motion and mobility, and can even cause other health problems like sleep issues, sciatica, and many more. With our world-class clinic and facilities, we can help you with these problems by providing safe, effective, and pain-free chiropractic care to realign your spine, improve your posture, and help you feel, move, and live better.
I have lower back pain. So right after my first session, I immediately feel relieved.
You'll be fine when your spine's aligned. Be one of the thousands of patients we've helped and let our team of health experts help you achieve optimum health today. Contact us and invest in your health now.